Hey everybody, how are you? Golly, I feel like I haven't been here forever. Then I forgot how to do it all. Hey Sophia, Tiff, just as I am, Barbie, Violet, Crystal, Body Illusion, Tiff. I can't read this fast, sorry. I can't. Hey, Stace. Oh, Tomas is here. The party started. Oh, beautiful. I wish, Tiff. Look, I know 176 pounds, okay? I know this. My phone don't even recognize my face. It sucks. Hey, y'all. Yeah, 176 pounds of me, huh? It's horrible. But really, hey. But I'm just happy that I'm here and I'm getting stronger every day. I actually walked without my walker today. Hey, Angels. Barbie, Angel, Tiff. I'm just trying to keep up. Hey, Stacey, look, I don't like all these meds they got me on, but I go tomorrow for my checkup. But you know what? They work. They work. I love all of you so much because if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have went. So, and I was dying. So yeah, it was good. I went. Literally, I was dying. I had 9 teams on me, and I had a heart attack while I was in there. So gotta love it. But I'm here. That's the past. So I come on here with Misha the other night because I wanted to talk about some things that I experienced when I was there for 15 days. I wanted to see like how, but everybody we always wanted to say hi and I missed y'all and everything. So we really didn't get to do that. So we're going to do that second part tomorrow. Oh, not tomorrow. I have Houston. Hey, Barbie. Friday night. She's going to put it up. Yeah, Friday night. Hey, Facebook mom. And thank you, Thomas. Thank you so much for that. That is so sweet. I am welcome home. I'm so glad to be home. That was too many days gone. Thank you so much for that. It's tacos, right? Tacos. But so we're gonna continue that on Friday. I just wanted to get on here and chat. That's okay. I haven't really gotten to see anybody because guess what? My mom took my phones. Except when I was being bad. Who saw the vaping video? I just want somebody tell me if you have. Thomas. Wait, what are y'all talking about? Wait, y'all. We all need one then. What is it? Hang on. Gotta go back up. I missed it. Where did I miss? Was it? Y'all, what did I miss? Okay, yes, please do that. Will you send me the link? Y'all, as bad as this office was, it was only stuff that had been held in customs for months and months and months and months, and it all come in at the same time. I was in the hospital. This office was piled up in here. I was like, oh my God. I was gone for 15 damn days. That's a lot. It's a lot, especially with everything I was going through. I swear to God, if my mom watches this, thank you so much. Hey, Daryl brought them. I just learned how to do it. I thought I'd share the knowledge. I told everybody, I said, the next time I am on narcotics, do not let me go live or let me post a video. I had fun, but I had to make it that way because it was boring. It was really boring. I cannot believe that. Oh my God, I watched that when I actually knew who I was. Hey, Crystal. I didn't see you. Hey, thank you, honey. I didn't even see you. I can't see good right now. Thank you. Love you. And I appreciate that. I appreciate all of it. Y'all don't even know. I'm a criminal. I was a felony. I think I was being a felon for real. I think you're right, Thomas. Thank you. Y'all, I seriously, my mom is like whatever that dinkum dog is that, you know, I know, right? I love y'all. I love y'all. I know that's a freaking felony. I'm stupid. I was on drugs. That's my excuse. I really was. But Daryl would bring me the vapes. My mom's like McGruff the crime dog. And she could smell a vape if she walks in a room. I was like, okay, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Because she was watching me do it in the bathroom. I mean, she knew I was doing it in there and I couldn't lock the door. So it really made me so mad. Thank you. Yeah, just has got to go. But they did. They're tapering me down off the prednisone. And guess what? I am not on immunosuppressants anymore because my body is getting healed. It's a felony. I'm stupid, man. Hey, the Dilaudid made me do it. I didn't do it. And they got records of it. I'm not going. They wouldn't take. Oh, Red, what's going on? I didn't go to the private chat. Shoot. I'm sorry. Hang on. You can't click on any comments? Crap. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. I think I know what the problem is. Okay, we gotta fix this. Gotta fix this. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it because we had to undo it last night because something was wrong with it. I need Misha, and she's busy. Okay, so the problem is I got to get Red back where she needs to be, and I don't know how to do that. Red, just y'all, if we don't get them started, she's doing everything in the back she can do, and I know what happened. Oh, that was a good idea, F. Oh, wait. Oh, hell yeah. I was scared of that in the bathroom. I was like, it's a vape. They would not let me lock the bathroom door. So, mom's going to be on that. Well, I'm sleeping in the bed and my mom's sleeping on this little bitty chair for 15 days. That woman didn't leave my side. 15 days I was in the hospital. She never left. Our parking was $230 when we left. That's how much the parking was. She never left. Hey, Ted. Yes, I'm glad you called it too. I had to come on and at least say hi. But so I was blowing it through my blanket, but McGruff the crime dog could still smell it. So I was like, shit. So I got them to bring me some air freshener in the room. And so I'd wait till she's asleep. And I'd spray some air freshener. And then I'd hit my vape and I'd put a wet rag over my mouth and nothing was coming out. I said, I got it. I got to share the knowledge. Well, they going outside and smoke. They wouldn't take me nowhere. I was like, y'all suck. Put me in there 15 days, expect me not to get nicotine, not going to happen. Especially when they gutted half my meds, but I was on pain meds. So. Found out there's one I can take. Oh. I think when I had the heart attack that night. Yeah, because they couldn't push the morphine, so they had to push the Dilaudid and then the promethazine, the Phenergan out. All I heard was hang the pump, give her a bolus, bam, I was out. Didn't wake up till the next day. I think that's the most sleep I got, too. Oh. So, guys, I can't breathe. When she was in high school, she got caught vaping in the bathroom and got suspended. She thought I'd be mad. I just left. Hell yes. I am, too. Look, this room is freaking pitiful, and I cannot clean it by myself. And my sister-in-law came over yesterday, and she got half the... Hey, Lori, how are you, honey? And she got everything off. Everything. She helped me so bad. Yes, I'm off the immunosuppressants, off of them. And because the other med, the big med is working, looks like I don't have to get back on them. I'll find out. I committed a felony. I was vaping in the hospital. We're rebels. We're not rookies. We're just rebels. Hey, Grandma, hey. Oh, I wasn't just a human. I was being subhuman. My mama was ready to kill me. Y'all don't even know. Thank you, Lori. Thank you, Barbie. I'm telling y'all right now. Don't. I love my mama. She worries about me. Don't put me in a room for 15 days with her ever again. No, I would go in a room for 15 days locked up with her anytime again because that's 15 days I wouldn't have had. So I'm forever grateful for all of you. And I can barely see, and poor Red can't start questions, and I don't know. Misha's the only one that can fix it because I don't know how to fix it. Because she had to fix it last night or the other night when we were on. Oh. Ted, thank you. Thank you. Guys, I hope y'all are ready. Because as soon as we get through with my part 2, you're gonna oh my god, I must change the chat to felons to all. Hey Cosmic. Hey, listen. This is gonna be so funny. So much you're not joking. They'll be watching this damn channel forever. We all have an excuse. It's called mental health matters. Don't tell nobody. I am trying to thank you so much. Let me get this fixed because I gotta have Red doing. I'm sorry, y'all. Give me 1 second. I get it. The funny thing is, I haven't bought myself a membership in quite a while. I just hoping. Hey, you got the gifts on though, right? Because you know what? Wait a minute. I tried to do 5 the other night. That first night I got home, and I couldn't. It wouldn't let me do it either. And I don't know what was wrong that day. It wouldn't let me do it either. So let me see if I can do it. I have to go in through YouTube though. And I'm trying. Keep it one thing at a time. Okay. Let's see. I got help. I don't know what happened. I got to get on the right channel. Okay. Where are we at? I'm going to see if these work because it didn't let me do this the other night. Oh, you have a branded account? What is that? Somebody explain that to me. I've tried to watch it on the video and all it does is confuse me. And now it really will because for 10 more weeks, I'm going to be in brain fog. That's what being in a cage does to you. Okay, so let me see if it's going to do it. Come on. Be an asshole. Okay, let's see if I can get this done. Okay, yeah, I know that. But you know what? Oh, they didn't take him away. So here comes 5. Bam. Somebody's going to get 5. I'm getting 5. Now let me do 5 at a time. And I can't pick who gets them, so. Oh, no, 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 no. You didn't get 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It won't let me do anymore. Red, did you fix it? Thank you so much for that. Oh, I gotta go that one. Hang on. I'll remember this in a minute. Ted, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Anybody got one, please tell him thank you because he didn't have to do that. Thomas, thank you for everything. We're felons. We're all felons. We're in trouble. And then we just threw 5. Thank God I still got 5 to go. I love that. Oh, you can, Red, you can do it now? I'm not touching it no more. Or is it you or me? No, you're trying? Okay. Then it's me. I'm just doing it. I need help. More than anybody around here can give me. See me? Really? Really? See all my new chins? Let's see. I don't know how it happened. I had one. Wait, I had one. This is what I didn't know what this was. I didn't know how it happened. I had one account years ago and couldn't get in. So I made another and then they linked the one, became more branded. I've tried to fix it, but oh, wow. I'm glad I haven't done that because I don't know how to fix anything. Not even when I got on here and I'm telling Red, I'm like, I can't get in. I can't. Or when I told them I can't get in because my camera was unplugged and I did it. Dance in the rain. This is just going to be everybody go free for all, I think, tonight. That's really how I wanted it. I just wanted everybody to. What in the hell? My thing's not working. Hang on. What happened? What happened? What happened? Something happened. Where the hell? Like, look, something really happened and it's not right. I don't know what it did. Uh-oh. Is that coming back on? Nope. That's why you can see my whole office and it's a mess. I don't have a background. Nope. We'll have to do that. Now, when I had to reset it. Hey, somebody, look what I did. Look what I did. Yeah, I didn't crash it and I fixed it. Yay for me. Hot Desert Chick. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Hey, where's Dancing in the Rain? I have something for her. Oh, besides the alien baby. Hey, look. I got this for Dancing in the Rain. Healing is not linear. Hey, T-Frog, I'm glad you're here. Yeah, y'all don't want to see the baby. No, it's not really. It's a tumor, and it's funny because my mom was like, "Oh, come on, let me see my little alien baby." I said, "Mom, why don't you shut up? I don't want to listen to it." Yes, I can walk more strength every day. I feel so much better because I'm at home. Mr. Keela don't feel so well in there. 5 surgeries today. We're not having a good time at this house. I feel bad. And he had to do a skin graft. Mods are amazing. Love you all. Love everybody in here. I miss y'all because I'm just going to get real. I missed you. I have no idea. She took my phones, okay? She took my phones. I told y'all that's what was going to happen. Hot Desert Chicks, you should have just come over there anyway. You should have just came anyway. Patience is getting me there. Yes, it is. Yes, Angel. I'm seeing you over there. Yeah, we think so. But he had to go back in 5 times to get it, make sure we got it all. He wouldn't let me go. So I was here. Hopefully that's all they found. Okay. Somebody got to talk because I've been in a room secluded for 15 days. I don't have much of a life to talk about right now. I got a life to talk about, though. I know. Guess what? I got Apollonia's feathers. Aria, you're back on. I got something from Apollonia. Angel Raymond. Yeah. Y'all look. I have nothing. I did it. Yep. So I'm off the. Okay, so I gotta wait on Miss. Hey Ben. It's good to see all of you. I just come on to talk for a minute because I missed everybody. So I'm gonna get. I have to do something with my hair because wait. Yeah, I'm not giving away my chicken feathers. That's Apollonia. Just Ben, anything you want, right? Yeah, just say what you want because no matter. Not on here tonight. It don't. I just wanted to hang with friends. But so my medicine's working. The first 7 days, the virus in my body went from 21 million to 5,000, and I take 12 weeks worth of these meds. It's working. It said I was going to have. There's 3 side effects of it. I'm glad you were here. I'm glad you popped in. Now you can pop your little butt out if you're still in the hospital or if you're in bed rest. Anyway, so can't do that. I cannot do that. Cannot. Throwing up, diarrhea. They said the first 3 days you take it, most everybody has that, and then it's gone. The one that stays with you is the brain fog for 12 weeks. And it's not just any brain fog. So I didn't get the first 2. And my mom was like, holy crap. Everything, because they would treat me with one thing and then I'd have 5 side effects. It never stopped. So In that hospital, they don't care. If you need a CT, you need an MRI, go ahead, go get you some more radiation. No, not the MRI, but we need another X-ray on that. We need another CT. Let's go. I'm like, I'm gonna die of radiation poison. The brain fog is bad. No, like, I don't know. I had COVID brain fog and it was nothing to what I have now. And that's the only effect I have from that medication. I'm doing good because I did not have the other two. This brain fog is so bad that I asked Daryl the same question last night, and he said, okay, for the 12th time, honey, here's the answer. I didn't remember asking him the first time. So it's bad. Sarah, Journey, hey, honey. My mom took my phones again while we were there. I don't think I should either. I don't think I should have any of that. Because on my discharge papers, it gives me how many I had. I got to be glowing by now. This stuff is going away. This is going. All this stuff, yeah, can't handle it. Can't even stand to look at myself right now. I don't even look like me. And it's not being prideful or nothing like that. It's just, it's not me. I have to wait every single morning. What you do, what you have to do. I'm taking all my meds, which is a shitload of them. I have not strayed from that. But at the hospital, they could keep track. They took blood out of where my PICC line was right there every single morning at 4 o'clock. So we knew what my potassium level was. We knew what everything was. Well, we don't know that now. They are really good. I was on the transplant floor. Oh, that one was my PICC line. That was a blood gas. Shoot, I look good now. I really look good. I should have seen me before that when I begged for that PICC line. He's like, go ahead. I was getting tired of getting stuck. I was so tired of getting stuck. I couldn't handle it no more. She did a good PICC line. The only reason it looks like that is because when she did the lidocaine, she put it in. It hit a capillary and started looking like that. But she did great with it. They said that was the greatest PICC line. Like, they drew off of it. The contrast went through it. They gave me my meds through it. And they said they've never seen one hold up that 11 days with being pulled, drew off of contrast every time I turned around, all that stuff. It held up to the day till they discharged me. And I shouldn't have, I watched her put it in. It didn't hurt me but when I was sitting up when they took it out, I was like, that went to my heart. That thing was like that long. But so 2-gram sodium diet. How's that working out for me today? I haven't eaten, so it's good. Fluid restriction. How's that working out for me? Too good. When you're diabetic, you're thirsty. But I also don't want to be back where I was swelling up either, so I just won't drink. I'll suck on ice. Ice don't count. And I want to say thank you to everybody that has held space and been in here and not left. And okay, so I'm going to say this without crying because most of y'all are in here. Y'all kept me alive. All of you. You did. All of you. Ones who were on the phone with me that were telling me get my ass to the hospital. And I said, no, it's my birthday. And they were like, if you want a birthday, you'll go. To the ones that were quietly in the background saying a prayer. Y'all made me go. And I want to say thank you. Because when I got there, I was in kidney failure, liver failure, having a heart attack, fluid all over. I was pretty bad off. Had 9 teams following me in the hospital. So thank you. Thank you for me being here. I know I'm hard-headed. Very much. But my mom got one real good over on me. She told me, we're just going to Baytown. That didn't work out. Because she passed Baytown. And I said, there's the exit. She's like, no, we're going to Houston. I was like, excuse me? It's my birthday today. No, it's not fair. Oh, no problem, Ted. No, we're not good patients. But I was being a good patient. I did everything they tell me to do. I didn't even argue with them. That's how sick I was. I only started arguing when I started, what is this? What is, ooh, that's kind of weird. Says, it just came up on my thing. Hey, look, y'all don't understand my mom. My mom did not leave that hospital. 15 days. Would it turn out to, I love y'all too. No, for real. I was in liver failure, kidney failure, rheumatology, had autoimmune. I had nine teams following me. Hematology, because I am really bad diabetic now, and my white blood cell count is like over 26,000. But there's no infection. They said it was the steroids. Well, I've been off the steroids. I've been off all the autoimmune. I still have Ted. Thank you for being here and appreciate everything. Um. Oh no, I was Journey. I was exactly was. But you know what? I'd been there. Hang on, I'm trying to think. I'd been there 13 days, and I told my mom. Oh no, that wasn't it. I was in liver failure. My white blood cell count is still like 25,000. My bone marrow is triplicating, so it's rising up. Let's hope leukemia does not set into there. Okay, and then my red blood cell count is going all the way to the bottom because I have autoimmune hepatitis, and it killed my liver. My viral load when I got there was 21 million. 21 million people. Listen to me. 21 million. Do you know that they started me on the medicine that they've never started anybody on a cure for inpatient? You always have to do it outpatient. I was the first one. But the reason why is because the hospital started it in hospital so they could fight for me, because that medicine is more than people's house. So I stayed in there. Do you know I went from 21 million? I have to take the meds for 12 weeks, and then they're going to go, their words, repair the shit it's done messed up inside, like this freaking tumor. So, but anyway, the doctors just couldn't wait to see if this med worked, They took my blood again the 7th after, it was every day, but on that 7th day, I went from 21 million to 5,000. Tell me that's not a miracle in my blood. In 7 days, that medicine, 21 million to 5,000. I believe now that because I'm on my 2nd week of it, I believe she could draw my labs tomorrow and it wouldn't be in there, but I'll have to take the whole 12 weeks. The stuff is expensive. The hospital had to keep me in and fight for it. Yeah, 30,000 freaking dollars a box. That's my next subject we're going to talk about. I have not gotten to catch up. I did not watch any YouTube hardly while I was in there. My mom liked the Lori Vallow trial, and that's what I sat there and watched. I didn't even know nothing about it. So I watched the Netflix because that's all mom wanted to watch. Oh my God. I just let mom do whatever mom did because mom went to Starbucks about 10 times a day for me, so I can't say nothing. Mom, I need a coffee. That was bad. But I got caught up on this whole Lori Vallow trial thing now. Now I can have a discussion about it with anybody. I didn't know nothing about it. And then my mom watches baby goats. I found that out on YouTube. There's a baby goat channel. Oh my God. Oh, thank you, Lori. Pharmaceutical copies. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Thank you, Lori. Thank you so much for that. Wait, where did it go? Oh, way up here. Hang on, Lori. Thank you. I just took videos, and I just took yes, Ben, they do. It's called things that never wake up in your body if your body's doing what it's supposed to do. But then if it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, like turns into an autoimmune that you've never had, it causes it. It can cause it. And me and my sister both have it now. Mine just decided it wanted to grow. I'd never known it. But it killed my liver. It's got my liver is like gone. Okay, hang on. There is my mom watches these baby goats and she turns it up. It's just like having hepatitis or something, but it don't spread. It's not contagious. I was thinking, oh God. Okay, so y'all all watch them damn things. Really, do y'all all watch that? Because I've never heard of it in my life, and my mother is watching baby goats. I'm hearing them next to my bed. I'm like looking down, going, "What in the hell, mom?" She's like, "It's the baby goats." So okay, whatever, mom. I think you're the hospital sick. I don't know what. You're fine, Ben. That's why I wanted. To, yeah, that's why I come on. We were Oh my God, we don't tell her. I cannot tell her that. I'm not telling my mom that. So Ben, you're not bothering me. We did part one, me and Misha did, but we really didn't get to do anything. Or I answered a little bit of questions, but Friday night we're gonna, because I have to go to Houston tomorrow. Friday night we're gonna do the part two and try to. I'm probably gonna turn the chat off and make sure that everybody's good to go because we're gonna do this quick. She's gonna interview. I want my story told on here first to people that take the time to come to my channel and be here. So I was going to tell my story here first, but I promise y'all, it is not fake. It is not fake. Yes, criminal. I know. My poor mom, but she watches baby goats. What in the hell? But thank you, Dre. Thank you for that. Thank you, because I didn't feel it at the hospital. And yes, you were right. She had to find cover it somehow. She watches baby freaking goats, guys. No, let's see. What did they call me? My rheumatologist, I had 9 teams because, Methodist has like everything. So Houston Methodist is wonderful. Let me tell you. First of all, they got the greatest food ever. Then they put me on a 2-gram sodium diet. I wasn't happy. I guess I needed to be on less than that. I had to wait every morning because of the fluid, and then my potassium would get so low, and then it was just a never-ending thing. I didn't think I was ever coming home. But idiopathic means there's no reason. It just happens. Yes. No, I don't have Lori, I don't have a continuing one. I stick it my finger every morning and every night. Because I just have to keep it right now because it's not, y'all can ask whatever you want. And just like Ben. No, it wasn't idiopathic. There was a reason. The virus had 21 million. It was the count. I had no idea. Okay. So it shut down my kidney, which I only have one. It shut down my liver. My liver's gone. I loved it when I answered it and it was she. I was like, I got on the phone. Tried again. She took my iPad the next day. I was so mad. I told y'all she does that. And then let's see. What happened after that? Started taking the medicine after they had to go through this whole appeal thing. But my rheumatologist was so cool. My rheumatologist. He goes, I'm going to find out WTF is going on. We're going to do some exotic testing on you. And he wasn't lying. He's like, WTF is going on. Y'all have the most awesome doctors. They were cool. And they were very intelligent. They saved my life. But y'all saved my life by making me go there. So thank you. Thank you so much. It'll never be enough. So that's all I can do is say thank you. Because I'm here. Y'all stayed here. Y'all held space. You held this channel open. You all did everything. And I want to tell you something. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Because if I would have come back here and I wouldn't have had a channel, I don't know. This is my lifeline to outside, especially this last year and a half. So I just wanted to say thank you. When everybody thought I wasn't coming back, I thought I wasn't coming back. I was like, why do we keep going to this basement every time y'all take me to somewhere? Hey, Dana. Hey, Dana. Love you. I love you. The attitude. Mine's A negative, sure. What attitude? Which one, me vaping in the hospital, being a felon? Or on here? I love you, Aunt Dana. I just have to lose all this weight so I can feel better. But I'm off. I mean, they're tapering me off the prednisone. I'm through with the immunosuppressants. There's no need to take them. My liver's inflamed, but it's almost like dead. Yeah, I committed a felony. I was vaping in the hospital. I even made a video on how to do it. So there ain't no getting out of it. Ain't Dana? You got to watch that video. I made a video when Mom went to smoke, how to vape in the room. Oh, I know, right, Lori? It was so freaking funny. I made the one, but then I have one of just me telling everybody how to vape in the room. A negative. Mm-hmm. If my hang on, Ben. But yes. So here's the thing. It's inflamed due to it's inflamed due to the autoimmune. Okay, the autoimmune causes hepatitis. Hepatitis. Hey, Power. How are you? I feel like I haven't seen anybody. I'm sure y'all not seen me. 700%. I did, ain't Dana? I made a video on how to vape in the hospital, and McGruff the crying dog didn't find out. She kept taking them. So Daryl brought me more, and he bought me a bunch, and I put them all in my bag. And I get a wet rag. I take a vape, and then I blow it through the rag. Take a puff out. Lord, I love you. Oh my God, y'all are so funny. Anyway, I got to get this weight back off. So, because now I'm a damn diabetic. But I am going to do that. I miss y'all. I'm sorry. McGruff the crime dog took my phones. Freaking award. Thank you. And then you've got to watch. I literally was laying up in the freaking bed telling people how to vape in the hospital, and I posted that video. Anybody that lets me on pain meds and lets me on here is in trouble. I miss you too. I miss you too. Mom took my phones. I was in there. I had my iPad and I was trying to do it on there, but if she walked in and saw me talking to somebody, I got in trouble. I look very alive, yeah, with about 5,000 faces. I'm so freaking fat. Oh my God. I weigh 60 pounds more than when I went in the hospital. Maybe I need to stock it up for the surgery because that medicine's doing beautifully. Aria, I love you. I'll talk to you later, Roy. You know that. I mean, literally, when you go for 21 million viral load in 7 days, you go to 5,000. Tell me prayers aren't answered every day. Sorry. My mom never left my side 15 days in that hospital. She never left. I'm too big. Look, when I come home, first of all, my phones don't recognize my face, so I can't even change it. You can't change your stuff unless it recognizes it's you. Well, guess what? My phones don't recognize this. So that's kind of screwed. But so, it happens. And yeah, the inflammation. A lot of it is, but it's the fluid too. And they changed all that. And then my freaking potassium got too low and I had to come in and hang 2 freaking bags. And that hurts. I felt it all the way through my PICC line, all the way, and went, oh my God, it was burning so bad. Yeah, you don't want potassium. Oh my God, through your IV, it hurts so bad. Even the PICC line. Let's see. What else did I do? I was gonna say something else too, but see, this is where I have to have people following everything I say because the 3 side effects of that drug, I have the one: brain fog. It hurts. Heft on it. It hurts. That shit hurts. It hurt my shoulder when it went up. But my potassium was only a 2.1. I was almost dead. You might look like a feeding hamster, but at least you're alive. I love you. God, I love you. I love it. A vlog of my recovery. I don't know, y'all. Look, I don't know. I didn't even really. I wanted to do one from the hospital, but man, my mom kept saying, "Yeah, you can't do that. You got to do HIPAA." I said, "There's nobody in the freaking hall. We're on a damn transplant floor that I can't even get off of because it's a clean floor. It's like ICU. You have 1 nurse, 3 patients." Yeah, it was because of the viral load. It's inflamed autoimmune, but my viral load was 21 million. Y'all, 7 days taking that medication, just 7. It was down to 5,000. That is a miracle. So I'll take the brain fog, which is bad. That's the one side effect I'll keep probably for the whole 12 weeks. But I'm off the immunosuppressants, and they're tapering me off the prednisone because my liver has got to go down. And then, yeah. So I'm going to do everything I can do. I'm taking everything I'm supposed to take. I'm so grateful that this medication is curing me and working. I asked my doctor what is next, and he says, go in there and clean up the damn mess that it's made. That's what he said. That's his words. Besides WTF, who ever had a doctor say that? He's cool. They got my kidney. Your kidney doesn't fix itself, but they can give you medicine to make it better. She got all that fluid that was all in my legs out of that space and into my veins where it should be, and put me on massive diuretics. And my feet are normal, except where I fell twice. And yes, it's going good. I go tomorrow to my hepatologist and for a checkup, my 1 week checkup from being out. And then my earbuds are falling out. Why? Are they still working? Oh God. I don't know. Probably pause me. Oh, I pee worse than anything. Okay, so here is what they're going to work on first. This is what my mom calls her. Let's see. What does she call her? Besides I can't breathe. Okay, you hear me good. I cannot breathe. That's the only thing. Oh, what's the name of the medication? I got it right there. I'll grab it. I'm on a bunch. But the one that's the antiviral, yeah, I'll grab it. So this is what has to come out first. All right, I'm embarrassed, so I might as well get this over with. This is what has to come out first. There's a tumor right there, and it goes up to here, and it goes underneath my sternum, and it hurts so bad. That's what made me have a heart attack. All this is fluid, but my scrubs don't even work. So I can't even use that. But my mom kept saying, look, my little alien baby. I was like, Mom, stop. I was like, I'm carrying all this weight around. This is not for me. I can't even breathe. Hang on, I'm grabbing that because I had it right here. Mavyret. 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 Somebody write that down. Mavyret, and it's going to be gone. That's the antiviral. I can't. And Walgreens is out of meds. The hospital texted us before we left and said, please call your pharmacy. There is a nationwide shortage of medication. I said, oh, dear God. And Mavyret. I think that's what I said. Yes, sir. Mavyret. Mavyret. I think it's V. I think. Who the hell knows? Don't let me think shit. I can't think. Heather. That's it. Is that it? Mavyret. That's it. No, Lori, that's it. Yeah, that's right. I love you, Heather. Hey, look. It wasn't. Look, y'all. I did not. Heather and Sarah, I promise y'all, I did not reject anybody's phone calls. My mom, McGruff the crying dog, she had my phones. I could never get on the phone. And then when I tried to get on my iPad, she tried to take it. So I wasn't going to do that anymore. That's the only thing I had. I think I watched all of Prime and all of Netflix. There's nothing on there I don't think I haven't seen. They wouldn't let me go anywhere. I am very much better. My doctor that came in and said, no, it's mine's 100 and then 40. That Ben, my strength is 104, 100 on one, 40 on the other. That is criminal. Okay, so mine is Mavyret. Yeah. Okay, so it cost $29,900 a month, and I have to take 2 months worth. That shit is expensive, and people should. That's where I was getting it, and I take the 100 and the 40, whatever it is. Okay, so here's the thing. Yeah, 84,000 per 2 weeks. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So here's the thing. Everybody that's got the membership for the Voice, the Choice, I don't care, the Advocate, it's time we go. It is time. I am going against Big Pharma. I don't care. Nobody should have to go through that to get treatment. It's a cure. It's not a treatment. It's a cure. Like, it is a freaking cure. You don't have it anymore. They're withholding cures from people because you can't pay $29,000 or $34,000 or whatever they decide they're going to charge for it. No, I'm on a mission now. I have to do something. I can't sit back and watch that. Can't do it. Only reason I got it is because I'm the first person ever to do it inpatient, to start it inpatient, because the whole hospital got behind me and appealed it. That's the only reason that I started it inpatient. Oh, per 12. Yeah, it's expensive. It's crazy. Like, it's really expensive. I take 3 pills every morning. Not 3. I take like 19, really. But just for that medication, it comes in day packs. I take 3 every morning for 12 weeks. I'm down to 10 weeks. And it did not make me sick. I just had brain fog. So I told my poor mods, and they're wonderful. And yeah, they're record profits. It's fixing to get yeah, y'all heard me, Big Pharma? Screw OSA. I'm after Big Pharma. And don't think I don't. I'm just gonna be quiet. I'll let y'all know what's going. Especially the ones that have that. Yeah, I found my voice and choice, and it's not people dying because of we have a nationwide freaking shortage of medication. My inhaler is a life-sustaining medication that Walgreens still doesn't have. I said yesterday, I'm supposed to not breathe for 2 days? Okay, sure. Let me do that for you. Brain fog is not going to do me any good. It makes everybody mad at me. Yeah, I need my Zopanex inhaler. That's all. Just Zopanex, that's all. Nope, can't get it. Nationwide shortage. Hope you don't need an EpiPen. You won't ever get that. I know, that's what I'm saying, Lori. For real, y'all. Brain fog I can't handle it. I don't like it at all. Albuterol, I had a heart attack, so now I can't take albuterol because my resting heart rate was 160 after that. So, yeah, Epi, you can't get EpiPens anymore. Let's not save a life, It's epinephrine. What the frick? I wasted that much on the ambulance. No freaking way, criminal. I offered it to you for free, but before it was approved, no way. Oh, yeah, no. If it wasn't approved, I wouldn't have done it either. Because genotype I was 3A. I know, I didn't realize either, Lori. I didn't know until they got, hey, Brian. Hey. Until they got my labs went to my chart, so I knew as soon as they were, right when they're sending them to the doctors, they send them to my chart. So my phone would go off and I was reading my labs, which were never right. I mean, they were never where they're supposed to be. Metoprolol, yes, metoprolol sucks 25 milligrams every morning. But I did have, yeah, the genotype. I have genotype. Hey, hello, hey y'all. I had a genotype 3A. It sucks. My A1C. It's on my phone right there. 6.2. I can't get my freaking sugars down. I'm staying above 200. I don't like that. But that's part of some of the stuff that those meds I take, and I'm almost through. They're tapering me down off the prednisone now. So good, thank God. So I can get some of this weight off because I can't breathe. That tumor goes literally from here where it sticks out all the way up to my sternum, and I cannot breathe. I hate it. And I guess being this big don't help either. Yeah, I think the moon face is now trying to go away. It's just giving me like 5,000 chins in the neck. As soon as I start physical therapy, they already came and admitted me, so it won't. Oh, it's going to come off. It's going to come off because I'm just going to say it comes off. It comes off fast with Monjaro. And I got diabetes now. I was 122 pounds January 8th of last year. I don't have nothing in this house that fits me. I come in, tried to put my scrubs on, and started crying. So I just grabbed my pajamas and put them on. Oh, that's my mama. She wouldn't let me bring normal clothes. She went and put them in her car every morning. I'm like, Okay, hello, we got to stop something here. We have to stop something. We need to talk about this. You can't bring all my clothes to the car every morning because I have nothing left. I was so glad to get to come home. Oh my God. I'm so glad. Just got to go ride. This too shall pass, and you were made for this moment. You were made for a time such as this. So I always tell everybody, we could do hard things. And I did a lot of hard things. A lot. Okay. I put my body through hell to try to get better. And I'm glad because this too shall pass, and you were made for a time like this, or a time such as this. Everything that I always say on here, that everything you've been through, has made you stronger to what you're going to go through next. Let me just tell y'all, I am not a superhero, okay? I don't know who God thinks I am, but I'm not a superhero. Because I don't think, I'm never going to say it can't get any, but my Lord, if what I got coming next is freaking anything like this, oh my God. I have the papers to prove. Oh, that's what I messed up. Can y'all still hear me? Because that's what I messed up. Now I know what my earbuds were messing up. Can y'all hear me over here on this chat? Okay, that's it. I hope so, Ben. I'm telling y'all, it is time. Okay, thank you. It is time. I'm sorry. And I'm not sorry. I'm really not. So I'm just going to say it. We're going after big freaking pharma. I'm going after them. People should not have to pay their medicine $30,000 a box just to get well, because it's killing my kidney. It was killing my heart. It was killing my liver, all my blood, my bone marrow. It's not going to happen, guys. I'm not. I'm a fat ass right now. I have to wait every morning. I'm so tired of that. But y'all, I'm going. I'm doing it. I'm going to whatever we got to do. It's time for advocates to unite. Big Pharma has got to go. This is bullshit. There should be no medication that costs that much that people can't get to save their life. Our country can't be out of inhalers that save people's lives. What the hell? You know what? Barbie, you made me cry again. This is not a permanent situation. Your clothes will wait for you. Yep, you're right, though. Every day's a step further to healing. You can't convince. I'm not Superwoman. I'm with you. What's the doctor's cut on these meds? I don't know, y'all. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hey, y'all. I don't know. That'd be good to find out. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. So, who's with me on this? I'm going to go start digging in starting tomorrow. I'll probably do it on the way there because I have to ride to Houston. Oh, God, it's going to hurt so bad. Oh, time knock myself out. She's going to be here at 7:30 in the morning, too. I am, I'm going after, I don't care who it is. I mean, when you've got a medication that costs that much money, no. And only the people that have insurance, only the people, when you call and get a cash price or try to go through their little programs, you get like $600 off of a 30,000 box of meds. How fair is that to people that can't afford that? If that hospital wouldn't have kept me inpatient, I couldn't have gotten it because they denied me. Only because I had the whole backing of Houston Methodist Hospital behind me. Is how I won that appeal. So I'm very grateful. I always will be. We're going to clean up the mess when I'm through with these 12 weeks and they test my blood and my liver and all that good stuff and see where it's at. I love you too, Tampa. I do. I miss you so much. And I'm going to tell y'all something. As soon as we can go forward, and they tell me that it's not detectable and they can fix my liver, and the first thing they're doing is taking this out and then doing this fluid. But I'm going to tell y'all something. I'm not going to sit by and be quiet about this. I'm not. Because if I would not have been in the hospital, I wouldn't get the medication. Yep. Y'all, it's ridiculous. This should never, ever, ever. A life-sustaining medication. I should not be without an inhaler. Like, I can't breathe. I had a freaking heart attack. But there's a nationwide shortage of medications. Y'all all know why. I'm not going to talk about it on here. Everybody knows why. If you don't, it starts with the C and ends with an A. That's all I can say. That's where all our medications are made, and most of them. And we can't get them. And so I called Walgreens before I left, and I only had like 19 medications that had to be picked up and called in. And they didn't have 5 of them. No, 7 of them. 8. Yeah, it was 8 because he picked up, and then they had a partial fill of the other. I'm like, first of all, you made me go 3 days with no Lasix. My feet are swelling up again, and I'm not having this. I have I do have a nebulizer, but it's got albuterol in it. They don't want me taking that because my heart rate's still too high. But that's okay. That's if I can't breathe, it's better than not breathing at all. Yep. Good. Thank you for that. Okay. Mr. Keelan in there had 5 surgeries today. So I'm gonna go in there and sit with him since he was very gracious with me. And he's still being very gracious with me, and he's hurting. So I'm gonna go in there. He had his surgery today, 5 of them. And he wouldn't let me go with him because he didn't want to worry about me being out there. So I stayed home with our fur babies that miss me. But so Wednesday, I go to Houston tomorrow to the hepatologist for my checkup. And now Friday, Mission, I will be on here in Red if Red is available, and we're going to fix her star and stuff. I don't know what the hell's going on there. But if everybody wants to do this Friday night, I will have a full update because I will get my labs and stuff done while we're there. And we'll see where we're at. And y'all all saved my life, so thank you. And I'll never be able to say that again. I mean, there's nothing I can say to say it. Yeah, Mr. Kilo, he's hurting right now. Oh, I'm not sleeping in the room. I've been going to bed early. I just got bored at the hospital, I guess. Yeah, I mean, mine went in cancer, but his is, I feel bad. He does everything for us. So we got a house full of, I'm trying to recover, and I'm trying to get them recovered. So we all do what we can do. I missed y'all. Did I say that? My office is a disaster. Didn't care. But do you see my dragonflies? I'm doing it in dragonflies. Heather, thank you. Incarnate, all y'all, Tampa Tip, all of y'all, Body Illusion, Criminal, thank you. I mean, like, seriously, like all of you. Barb, all of y'all, I love you. Heather, Violet, all of you. Lori, Body Illusion, I love you. Hey, Thompson, how are you? I can't do long ones anymore because I can't breathe. So, but I will be. She won't let me freaking live stream going down the road because I have to navigate. Read the navigation or listen to it, Mom. Nope, she's got to have my full attention. It ain't like we don't go there every week. Yeah, so tomorrow it'll just be one of these crazy ones that we'll talk about anything or something. But Friday night, or we'll talk about what happened yesterday in Houston. But Friday night, I'm literally going to do part 2 and finish it out because, like I said, I want to tell my story on this channel first. And then I have a couple of channels that have asked me to come on. I don't mind that, but I'm going to tell my story to the people that saved my life first, held this channel open, and didn't make me come back and lose it. And y'all are all still here. Y'all have no idea what it did to me. I love you all, and I mean that. Y'all are just here, and that did it. I mean, like, literally. Marie, I'm going to be here till the last one's here. For the first time, Angel, I think I am. For the first time. Yeah, no, I come in here, I was like, oh my God, look at me, look at my office. Like, yeah. But I miss y'all too, Barbie. I had to get on here. Tampa, I love you. I love all y'all. Seriously, like, y'all have no idea. Y'all have no clue. Like, I miss you so much. I kept trying to go live on my damn iPad, but my mom would come in. You had a 51-year-old woman sitting up in the bed, scared of what her mom was going to say. It was so funny. She even took my phone. Heather and Sarah tried to call me. She took the phone. She put it on silent. Like, she's obsessed. But she's only obsessed because she doesn't want me to hurt myself. Like, or posting shit like I did, like felonies. Yeah, we need to talk about that. Somebody, I think I got a felony posted on here, and I can't find it. I do. I love my mom. She stayed in a little room, for 15 days with me. That wasn't easy. Not at all. It wasn't easy at all. My mom needs all the love. Oh my God. Just so tired. Only the 10 trips a day to Starbucks. Hey, I got to get this felony thing down. I forgot it was a felony. Vaping in the hospital. Oh my God. And I even made a how-to video on it. Do not let me on here when I've had drugs. Hey, it's a how-to guide to vape. Y'all, y'all don't even know. I don't know if it's the brain fog or the pain meds, but yeah, that probably wasn't my finest moment. Because now there's proof, and it never goes away. I knew exactly what times she was going down to smoke. Like, yeah, you won't take me down to vape. You go ahead, leave. I figured it out. Thank you, Marie. Thank y'all. No, it's really, I don't know, Violet. I'm redoing it actually, and I'm glad because my sister-in-law was here yesterday and helped me with so much. But the dragonfly back there, that's what I always have been in awe for. Dragonflies. I think they're beautiful, and they have a lot of meaning that I really didn't know about, so I started looking, and I have so much dragonfly stuff. Oh God, I'm in trouble. Add to cart. And Aria cannot be my sponsor for that because she's just as bad as me. You can't add to cart. Just because it says it, don't mean you have to. I got in here and I was in trouble. But oh well. So yeah, like this kind of trouble. Like, that's all stuff that's still ain't even opened. Oops. I didn't know I was going to the hospital. I wouldn't have done it. No, this stuff has been held in customs for like 2 months, and they finally let it through. He was like, "You got this, you got that." I'm like, "I didn't buy that. I don't remember half the stuff that's just come in." Oh no, this was a mess. When I walked in here, it was from my door all the way this high, all the way to that wall. Emmy helped me get it because Daryl was not happy. I'm like, "Look, I didn't buy no more stuff. I didn't put add to cart. Not my fault. Not my fault that it's been held at customs and they let it all go through at one time." And that's the truth. So that's why it all came in at one time, and I'm not ordering anything else because I never get it. They had to give me all kind of credit. Y'all, yes, dragonflies and their symbolic meaning. It's beautiful. I have too many of them. Here we go. Those we love don't go away. They fly beside us every day. And I have a bunch down there. Y'all. I don't know how to say anything but y'all. Let's see. One more thing. Somebody got me that one right there. And I think I know who did it. And that is one of my favorite songs ever. Like, ever. Don't laugh. Okay? Yeah. And my mom made me put up a Liz's book. I didn't leave without Liz's book. I had to have Liz's book. And my mom said, "Get that out the desk. The nurses are going to come in and say," I'm like, "So what? It's Liz's story. She's a third generation Scientologist. She wrote a book. Mom, you know them all. My mom knows everybody too." And I'm like, she goes, "You don't need that out." When I said, "I am not in here for a popularity contest. You got to stop, Mom." I took Liz Gale to the hospital with me. But this right here. But the symbolic thing of this is I was singing this every time I went to MRI in my head, or every time I went to CAT scan. This is what I was singing to myself. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Somebody got me this, and I'm very thankful for that. This is Gail. She went to the hospital with me. My mom's like, get that book down. I'm like, you don't even know what I'm. Just look at it, Mom. It's like it's Liz's. So I think I gave my mom probably too much hell. It would let it be. That's it. Let it be. And I had this great little CNA before I say goodbye. They're called personal care attendants there. And like I said, you have one nurse and one personal care attendant to 3 patients only because of the transplant. Yep, 3rd generation. Because of the transplant floor. And she come in, and I don't know what had happened. I did something to my room. Who knows? Probably after I fell or when I fell, because they put that stupid bed alarm. I couldn't even turn on my side. I almost tore that damn bed up. Don't freaking do that. And so I'm stuck in the bed for falling. And my mom, she was like, I'm gonna go down. You got your PCA in here, your personal care attendant. She taught me so much. That girl, she's way younger than me. And every time something bad would happen in any of her rooms, whatever, she's just, well, it happens, stuff like that just happens. And I started doing that. I started doing that all the time. And I still do it. I started doing that. It's like, there's got to be a way that people can love their jobs, even if it's a shit job, and still have that attitude. And she did. Everything that I said to her, like, that I would take to be a freaking disaster, if not her, she was just like, that just happens sometimes. I'm sorry. Yeah. I didn't think about it. It's a freaking, y'all, I did not think about it being a felony. Oh my God. And I put it on YouTube. Cannot do drugs. Cannot give me narcotics and let me on YouTube. And I only got to do that really quick. Cannot believe that was a freaking felony. I didn't know. But I didn't get caught. I used a green screen. What are you talking about? I did not know that freaking vaping in the hospital was a felony. Oh my God. That's right. See, I was auditioning and on YouTube. I'm sorry, that's a green screen. I love it, Lori. Hey, my love. Hey, my love. Oh, wow. I know. I go to the hospital. I come out and T's had her shots. And I'm like, what? I didn't have a phone. Okay, so I'm going to get that fixed for Red. Probably tonight it'll be fixed because I don't know what's going on. T, I love you, babe. I can't breathe real long and do long ones because I just can't breathe. As my mom says, her alien baby. But I'm going to call you in a minute if you're up. And nationwide shortages, this is not going to happen again. So if y'all are wanting to be the voice, the choice, the advocate, it's time. As soon as I get through tomorrow in Houston and come back, I'm done. I'm done. This should not happen. People should not be dying because they can't get medication. And an inhaler. That's kind of important. So I'm not happy. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Everybody's going to get them. Like, everybody's going to get them because you can't get them. So I'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to try to do it through when we're driving tomorrow, like on the road, like a traveling one, because I thought that would be kind of cool. Hey, Mischief, and I'm leaving. Oh, y'all all coming in. I love y'all. You can take my 176-pound self away. I look so bad. But hey, T, love you. But look, So, where's T? Is she still in here? Or T, did you already leave? I'm trying to look on YouTube one. It goes faster. Where are you at, T? Are you still here? I don't think so. Hey, Mischief, honey. Where is... I guess she left. Well, damn. T, I'll call her. No, I had one doctor that was... Oh, then she's here. She's here. Okay. I had one doctor that said, I'm going to find out WTF's going on here. We're going to find it. I'm like, oh my God, my doctor said WTF. He was cool, though. Okay. So, T, here's the issue. Wait, let me fix this stupid camera. I know you're here. Here's the issue. This is what I have to... Hey, Brian. This is what I have to get fixed. After 10 more weeks. Got 10 more weeks of medication. Here we go. My mom called it her alien baby. So this is what I'm carrying around. I can't fit in none of my clothes. Everybody can see. Just, I love you too. I'm fixing to leave, girl. This is, it stops right here, but it goes up in my sternum. I cannot freaking breathe at all. I hate it. I gotta get that out of there. Stacey, I love you. I love you, Brian. T, love all of you. Tiff, everything, all the mods. Thank you for being here. Barbie, hey, Red, thank you. I'll fix it. I don't know what happened, but we'll fix it. Like I said, I couldn't even get it to load. But good night, y'all. I love y'all. I'll be back either from the road or after I get back from Houston tomorrow. And Friday will be the rest of the story with Misha interviewing me on here. So, oh no, I have a tumor and it's not got fluid in it. It's got something else. I was going in for a paracentesis and they did a quick ultrasound. They're like, oh hell no. They're not even biopsying it for 12 more weeks or 10 more weeks. Apollonia, I want to have a live show. Oh, anytime. I just have to go to Houston tomorrow for a checkup. Please, Apollonia, it's got a new backdrop. Yes. I got her feathers. So, any day. Friday, I have that second thing, and that's the only thing I really have. Like, I was just going to get on here tomorrow night. Or I can do it tomorrow during the day and tomorrow night. So it's fine with me. What day, y'all? Somebody pick a day. I say, see, I'll be in Houston tomorrow, and then I have one for Friday. We got to talk. I'll text you in a minute, if that's okay. Good night, y'all. Love y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow night, I promise. Either from the road or from home, but I will be here. And y'all have a great night. Thank you so much. I love you all, for real.